It is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on chemical engineering. The chemical engineering is it involves the production and manufacturing of products through chemical processing. The father of chemical engineering is George Edward Davis. George Edward Davis was born on July 27, 1850 till 1907. Louis Pauling was won the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1954 and Nobel Peace Prize in 1962. Chemical engineers design and develop chemical manufacturing processes. Sri Mukesh Ambani is also one of the chemical engineers from University of Mumbai. Chemical engineers, they design and develop chemical manufacturing processes. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.